let's go fishing. Just where we'll point that boat, nobody knows. Well, we don't know if it's gonna be feast or famine. So sit your ass back and enjoy the Big John Show. Let it go! Watch that stump over there.
So lifers, we're finna make some candy corn for the deer. You know, it's that time of the year, Halloween. I don't know what you really call it. I just add a little bit of strawberry to it, let it soak for a few hours. Put it out, everything seems to like it. Deer, hogs, squirrels, whatever. I'll show y'all how I do it. I'm having to talk in here to get out of the wind. I apologize for the wind. And I'll wrap the video up after we make it. What we're gonna do is put about 2/3 of the corn in this 5-gallon bucket. Then we're gonna pour this cheap strawberry drink. You can get it for anywhere from 80 to $1, 80 cents to $1 at most stores. Dollar store may even have it cheaper. But let it soak for a couple hours. Then I'm gonna go put it out, put it in front of the camera, see what happens. If I get any pictures tonight after putting it out, I'll put them up and show you what's going on. My camera's been not taking good pictures, so who knows. May not be some, may be some. Alright, during the summertime I would add a little water to it, but I'm not going to today. I'm going to shake it up and that corn will soak that in, let it sit for at least an hour, then we'll go put it out. So I just put the top on it, I'm going to shake it a little bit. And let it soak. My lifers enjoy the wind sound. I'm sorry about it. I got the wind sock on and everything else. But we got about 40 mile an hour gusts that come and go. Gonna dump some corn out up here. I'm gonna dump half out I made here and half in another spot. I'm gonna move my camera to the other spot. If we get any pictures before the video gets worked up, I'll let you know. I'll put them on there before this. Show you what it looks like when we put it out. Alright, we dumped half a bucket right here. Just a test, see how they like it. I know they love it, I've used it before. We're gonna move the camera to another spot and put this out in another spot. camera that I'm very disappointed in. Alright, there's a good Warren trail right here. It's a new area I'm trying to figure out how to hunt. Kind of thick in here too, you see. Cornbread used to hunt on down the trail. But we put it out here, got the camera up. Maybe we'll see some pictures this evening. I'm gonna try to get out and hunt tomorrow afternoon if the wind's not blowing 68 mile an hour like it is today. Alright, lifers, we got it put out. We're gonna see how it works. I'll probably wait to upload this video till later in the week. Maybe I can add a few pics in there with it. Looked all on YouTube before I made this video, and there's a bunch of complicated recipes out there. But you can do that with the soda, or you can buy the block topper and put on the corn. I was just trying to do it on a budget. All together, that costs $12. I mean, that's with the corn and the soda, and I got enough to do it at least 2 more times, but I'll have to buy soda one time of that. So it'd be $13. Where that block topper is about $13 a bottle, so. Soda works. If you want it a little salty, I'll add you some rock salt in there with it. But it works. I've been doing it for years. Generally, I wait till it's a little bit colder where the fire ants will stay off of it because we have a problem with that. But where I put it, I feel like it'll be gone before they get on it. And if y'all liked and enjoyed this little short, cringy ass video from me and Gunner, like, share, subscribe, and comment.